another YouTube video featuring me and my hair doing whatever the fuck this is. I don't know. I can't make it do anything today. So ponytail. Jessica tells me it looks like a Tim Burton forest, so I'm okay with that. Anyway, you may guess by the fact that I look lazy as all fuck that this is a sewing video. Except surprise! It is not a sewing video. It is a making of some weird fucking thing video. So it's my very good friend Mary Mourning's birthday coming up. And I decided to make her a weird ass lamp. So I have some stuff on the table behind me here, including some like dead things and other weird props. And I'm going to attempt to make her a lamp. You may have seen my video. I made a weird Gothic chandelier out of a deer skull 2 years ago, I want to say. And it turned out really well. So I'm going to try the same thing, but with a lamp. So let me show you what I've got, and then we'll get started. Okay, here's my table of supplies. I don't even know how much of this I'm gonna need. Maybe all of it, maybe not. I don't know. We got some power tools, which is always scary. Jessica's always scared when I use power tools. I got my drill. I got a Dremel. Got some safety glasses. Picked up these. These are battery operated taper candles. Picked them up at a local craft store. I've got these, which I actually got. This was actually a candelabra that I got at the thrift store for a couple bucks. I cut these off. I just used my grinder and cut those off of a candelabra. I did that before I started just to save you some extra power tool noises. This is a lamp, part of a lamp. So here's the rest of the lamp. I got this at a local thrift store. You will notice they say it works, and thank God for that. I haven't tried it, so I hope they're not lying to me. I have a deer skull, which I got secondhand off of a local classified thing. From a guy. He painted it bronze. I don't know why he painted it bronze. He didn't even paint it well. Like, he didn't even do a good job on it. But anyway, it doesn't matter because I'm going to paint it black. Got some black spray paint here. A couple of different kinds of glue in case I need it. Got some wire to wire some stuff together. I got some beautiful black beads. And I got some jewelry charms here. Mary likes pentacles and pentagrams and stuff. So I got those because this is going to be a gift for her. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is use the Dremel to cut some of these things. Like, this is obviously a found deer skull. You can see porcupines have been chewing on it and stuff here. So I'm going to use it to cut off some things to make flat spots so that I can mount some of these onto it. I don't know that I'm going to get all of them on there. I only have, I think, four candles, so maybe I'll only put 4 of them on there, but we shall see. Gonna do that first. So here we go, guys. Flat. Made flat right there. And I flattened out some spots here. And now we're gonna glue these motherfuckers on. All right, so now we have this. And you guys might remember from previous videos that this lovely glue that I am using, I affectionately refer to as fart paste because it smells like farts when you're mixing it up. So now the fort smells like farts and burnt toenails. It's a lovely smell. Jessica's really enjoying it for sure. So I'm gonna let this dry and we'll see you tomorrow. All right, welcome to the next day. I hope everything's dry. It seems to be mostly dry. I'm gonna poke it in a second. So it occurs to me that I may have done this in the wrong order. I probably should have carved out the bottom of the skull before I mounted the little candle things to it, but oh well, Mad Max, right? We're gonna do what we gotta do to make this work. So I have this. This is the lamp inside thing. I'm gonna see how much of the skull I have to carve out to fit this in here today, and then I have no idea how I'm gonna make it stay in there. Am I gonna wire it? Am I gonna glue it? Is the skull going to explode when I try to do this? I have no idea. But I have ye old Dremel. It's ye old because I'm dremeling in the fort. I have ye old Dremel, and I'm going to start this right now, and wish me luck. All right, you guys. Yeah. All right, it's all sturdy. Sturdy, perfect. Yes, it's not going to fall off. Yay! Okay, so let's set that down. So I have to carve out in here somehow to fit this in there. But I don't know the best place to carve because obviously the edges of this are really fragile because this is a found skull. Obviously there's a lot of like porcupine gnaws on it and whatever. So I don't know if I should carve out like in here near the eye sockets or more like back here. I don't know. Let's see what happens. You guys, I have this. It's a fucking mess, but anyway, it's carved out down the sides there. And I had to cut it bigger over here so I can get the thing. And also my fingernails are full of deer skull. And I have of deer skull stuff. And I have extra parts, you guys. You know you're doing a good job when the deer doesn't even need all his parts anymore. Those are going into my bone box. But I'm going to try to get this in here. Let's see. Yes, success. Okay. All right, good. This is a good start. Check it out. He's on his thing. So I think I'm going to wire it. I got to wire it here. I got to wire it here. And I think I'm going to drill right through the top of his skull so I can poke that screw through there. And hopefully secure it, and then hopefully we can move on to something that smells less terrible. You guys, we're getting there. So far it looks like this. Unfortunately the candles are like a little tilted that way, but like whatever, Mad Max. The deer is asymmetrical. They are staying in there. I'm gonna take them out obviously to spray paint. I just want to make sure that they were gonna sit and like not tip. I think it looks cool. It's even better because it's like not perfect. So we're about to take this back off of here and start spray painting. All right, guys, now we have this. Same thing, but in black. It's just spray painted at a shit ton of coats and got a lot of my hand in the process, but that's cool. So now comes the fun part. I get to drill it and add beads. I also realized that I didn't have enough black beads because some of them weren't gonna work. So I added some like red rosaries and stuff because like they go with this. So it's now gonna be a fun black and red lamp. Cause Mad Max, here we go. All right, you guys, I think it's fucking done, other than the fact that I have to light it up, but like, I love it. I also have to remove the sticker that says works, in case Mary needs to know that it actually works. I don't know when I give it to her. Look at how beautiful. Gonna put the candles in here, obviously. But I think it turned out great. I actually love the different shades of red. I've got the light red, got the dark red, got a bunch of black, pentagrams and what have you. And now we just got to show it to you in its full glory. Let's go! Are you there? Are you there, internet friends on YouTube? Guess what? Magic deer lamp. I want to show it to you lit up in its full glory. So we're sitting, obviously, in a bathroom in the dark so we can show this to you. But doesn't it look fucking cool? I'm so happy with it. The candles are a little cockeyed, but like, so what? Mad Max. That makes it all the more cool. I'm so happy about it. I hope Mary loves it. I'm sure she will. How could you not love this? Wouldn't you love this if you got this for your birthday? I mean, I sure would. I think it looks great. Yay. Of Mary's birthday lamp. I hope that she posts pictures of it on her Instagram. We'll see. I don't know if she posts household decor, but like, I fucking love it. It turned out really good and I'm very tempted to keep it, but I don't have room in my house and I promised it to her, so it's going to her. And I hope you liked it too, and if you did, if you could give this video a thumbs up, that would be amazing. If you want to follow me on all the things, because I have all the fucking things now. I have Instagram, Madame_Absinthe, Twitter, Madame_Absinthe, Facebook, you just gotta look up Madame Absinthe and find the one with my face on it. I've got TikTok, Madame Absinthe. What else do I have? Ko-fi, you can buy me at Ko-fi, ko-fi.com/Madame Absinthe. And, oh, I have Depop now, you guys. Yeah, so if you want to buy some of my like secondhand shit, also a little bit of stuff left over from the store, and odd knickknacks, Depop's where to do it. If you want to ring the bell, you can get notifications when we put up new videos. Maybe I'll make more cool shit. I'm definitely making more cool shit like shortly, so you should definitely ring the bell. I'm just saying. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, follow me on all the things. I hope you love the deer lamp. I hope Mary loves the deer lamp, and I will see you guys around for my next cool, weird ass thing that I make. Bye.